So how would you like it if you could take your TikTok content and post it to YouTube and Instagram without that TikTok watermark? I'm talking about looking like this to looking like this without the watermark. Peace and love, y'all. What's going on? Stevie Z and Rich from Anywhere. And today I'm going to share with you an amazing tool that's going to allow you to remove those TikTok watermarks from your IG Reels and your YouTube Shorts. All right. Now, before I jump into it, you know the deal. Click that subscribe button below. Be sure to like and share this video with someone who's gonna need it. All my content creators out here, this video is definitely for you. So as you know, TikTok is completely exploding. It's going absolutely crazy right now. And these other platforms are really trying to catch up with that. So what they're doing is they're introducing their own version of TikTok on their platforms. YouTube has YouTube Short, Instagram has Instagram Reels. Now, one of the biggest issues people are having is that when they want to repurpose their content that they post on TikTok to Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, their reach is getting squashed. YouTube and Instagram do not want TikTok being promoted on their platform like that. So what they're doing is if you repurpose your content from TikTok and post it as a YouTube Short or post it as an IG Reel, they're penalizing you and they're not gonna show it to as many people as possible. The reverse to that is if you post a video that's organically uploaded to Instagram or YouTube Shorts without that little watermark, they're gonna show it to the people that they feel are gonna relate to it the most. And this is exactly what you want. So this tool today that I'm gonna talk about is gonna allow you to do just that. I have a quick little tutorial, complete tutorial on how to use this particular product. It's called SnapTik, all right? All right, y'all, so we're here inside of SnapTik. The name of the actual website is snaptik.app. All right, you're gonna go to snaptik.app. You're gonna hit this particular screen right here. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to take your TikTok link and paste it right in here, download it, and then all of a sudden you have a watermark-free version of your actual TikTok video, and this will allow you to repurpose. So I'm gonna show you step-by-step how this works. I'm gonna use an actual example from our TikTok. So let's come over here. This is our TikTok page right here. And let's just say I'm looking for a particular clip that I wanna use and actually repurpose, all right? So let's just say I wanna use, I'm just gonna pick one randomly. We'll grab this one right here. Let's say I wanna repurpose this for Instagram as well as YouTube Shorts. Now, IG Reels, they will penalize you if you have that TikTok watermark in your actual video. They'll penalize your reach. YouTube Shorts, I believe they're working on starting to penalize you and squashing your reach as well. So you want to make sure that you get rid of this. So first thing I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you see here we have that big old TikTok watermark, which is cool for TikTok, but when you want to repurpose, you're going to want to switch it up. So first thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to hit copy link right here. Then I'm going to come back to SnapTik and I'm going to paste that URL right there, and then I'm just going to hit download. You want to give it a second to load and do its thing, and then boom, now it's saying that it's done. So the next step, this step can be a little bit confusing if you're expecting the video just to pop up. It won't do that. You're gonna have to come over here and just click download server 1 or download server 2, either one. I'm gonna do download server 1. See here that it's downloaded very quickly, and then let's take a look at the video right here. I'll turn it down so y'all don't have to hear me, but let's see. So now you see there is no TikTok emblem or logo or watermark, whatever you want to call it. It's not there anymore. All right. So now I can take this video and I can use it. I can upload it for a YouTube Short. I can upload it to Instagram as well to repurpose my content, y'all. So I hope that this helps. This is a little tool that I just found out about. So anytime we find out about new things, we always want to share that sauce with y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it.